Have you posted something on Facebook that you don't want others to see, but you don't want to delete them either? You only want to hide them from your profile? You can do it. In this video, we will show you how you can hide posts on Facebook and also unhide them from the Facebook mobile app. Open Facebook, go to your profile. Now check the post you want to hide. Tap on the three dot icon, tap Move to Archive, and your post will be hidden. You can hide multiple posts like this. Now, if you want to unhide them, scroll up, tap on the three dot on your profile, tap Activity Log, tap Archive, and you will be able to see all the posts you have hidden. Tap on the three dot beside the post you want to unhide. You will get these options. You can restore to profile, tap Restore, and the post will be back on your profile. If you want to delete it forever, tap on the three dot icon. You can move it to trash and move it to trash. So guys, this is the way you can hide and unhide post on Facebook from the mobile app easily. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.